Hello friends, welcome to our channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. In this month only we had first solar eclipse of the year 2019 on 6th January. However, this solar eclipse was not seen in India. Again in the month of January, total lunar eclipse is going to take place. So in this video, we will give you full information about this lunar eclipse, what will be the timing of start and end of this lunar eclipse, what will be the Sutak time for the same, and what are precautions pregnant ladies need to take care during the lunar eclipse. So watch this video till end without skipping for full information. Friends, 21st January will see first total lunar eclipse of the year 2019. This lunar eclipse is very special as scientists are also tagging it as super blood wolf moon. As on this day, sky will witness extraordinary astronomical view. As per scientists, such a lunar eclipse shows up the moon 14% bigger and 30% brighter in comparison to the normal days. The moon will turn blood red for a short period of time and things may seem a little weird. During night, such an event is very interesting to see. Let's talk about the timing of lunar eclipse. As per Indian Standard Time, the lunar eclipse will start on 21st January at 7 minutes past 8 in the morning and will last till 7 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. This eclipse, however, will not be visible in India. This eclipse will be visible in Middle Pacific Ocean, South and North America, European and African countries. The Sutak time for the lunar eclipse will start from 20th January night at 11:07 p.m. As we have told before as well that this eclipse will not be visible in India, but friends, evil effects of eclipses generally falls on the zodiac sign. It also impacts our health and commerce in some way. So during this period, pregnant women who are prone to such events should take special care and precautions. Pregnant ladies are very sensitive in their pregnancy period and harmful radiations emitted during the eclipse hour may impact badly the woman and the baby in the womb. So first thing first, avoid direct encounter of moonlight during the eclipse. It is not like that in the afternoon. Moon if not visible in the sky, it is not there. Moon is invisible due to the bright sunlight that outshines the moonlight. Moon is always there even in the afternoon in the sky. So pregnant women should avoid stepping out of the houses during the lunar eclipse and also avoid direct moonlight during this eclipse timing. A pregnant woman should fast during this period. She should not eat during this time. She should take bath before eclipse start and after the eclipse finishes. Pregnant ladies should not use or take in hand any pointed object like knife while they are working in the kitchen, or scissors or needles that are used for sewing. So kindly don't use such pointed objects. To keep the harmful lunar radiations at bay, pregnant women should keep a coconut with them during the eclipse time. This will keep them safe from the harmful radiation of the eclipse. You need to discard this coconut after the eclipse finishes. It is believed that pregnant women should not sleep during eclipse time. Pregnant women should not worship during this time. Do not touch God's idol or temple. Temple doors should be closed during this time. However, you can chant mantras and slokas during this time. You can sit in your room and chant Mahamrityunjay mantra or Shiva slokas. As the eclipse finishes, purify your whole house by sprinkling the Ganga water everywhere. Take bath after the eclipse and prepare fresh food to eat. So these were the few tips a pregnant woman should follow to reduce the harmful effect of eclipse. One more thing, how to take care of the babies after your delivery. For that, also subscribe to our baby care centric channel Mom in India. Link we have shared in the description box. Kindly comment us if you have any questions. If you like the video, kindly press the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.